No eyeshadows? No problem. Hi everybody, it's Smitha and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use this one single product to create exquisite looks. I'm going to be showing you 3 completely different looks using just this one product. So without further ado, let's begin. The product that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Master Kajal. Now this slides on beautifully and it's so easy to work with this. Of course, you can use any black eye pencil that you have. For this first look, I'm going to be creating a double cut crease with negative space. Yes, just with one product. First, with the Kajal, I'm going to mark the area where I want to build the crease. And then with a dense angled brush, I'm going to start smudging this. And then to soften this further, I'm taking my Milani brush and I'm going to start dabbing it. I'm taking a little bit of concealer and I'm going to lightly cut the crease and clean up just under the crease line. Nice thing about using pencils is you're not going to have any fallout, so we don't have to paint the entire lid space. Now I'm going to extend my lower lash line like I'm almost pulling out a wing, and then I'm going to go parallel to my cut crease. And then using my finger, I'm going to sharpen the edge of the wing. I'm going to fill in the outer wing, and then with a flat shader brush, I'm going to start shading some of that color towards the center of the lid. To get that ombre effect, I'm going to deepen the tip of the wing. So it'll be darkest there, and as it moves to the center of the lid, it becomes lighter. And then using some concealer, I'm going to clean up underneath the wing. Now the brush that I'm using is a nail brush. If you haven't watched that tutorial, I'm going to link it right on top. And then it's time to finish up with a coat of mascara. And here is the first look. Super easy, super quick, quicker than using eyeshadows to create that double cut crease. And we're using just one product. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. For the second look, I'm going to be creating my favorite foxy eye. I'm going to be using a sticky tape, just sticking it as an extension of my lower lash line just to get that dramatic straight edge in the outer corner. Using the Kajal, I'm going to pull out a wing in the outer corner. All I'm going to do is just draw a couple of straight lines from the tape to the lash line. And it doesn't have to be perfect because the tape is your stencil and that's going to take care of creating the wing for you. And then using my Milani brush again, which I've linked down below, I'm going to start dabbing. This is going to blend and soften the Kajal. And then to get that ombre effect, I'm going to use a little bit more Kajal in the very outer corner and I'm going to dab again. Let's go ahead and take off the tape, and as you can see, it's created that wing for me. All I have to do now is clean up underneath with the concealer. I'm going to use a little bit more Kajal in the inner corner, and then using a flat shader brush, I'm going to sharpen the wing. And I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara, and while applying mascara, I'm going to push my lashes outward and upward so I get that elongated foxy look. And here's the completed eye lift without surgery with one product, the completed foxy eye. Next up is everybody's favorite smoky eye. I'm going to first start with using the Kajal in my waterline. I'm next applying it on my lid from my lash line all the way up to the crease, and then using my Milani brush, I'm going to start dabbing and softening the edges. I'm going to start with dabbing the lids because there's going to be excess product on the surface, so that residue is collected in the brush, and then I can use that to soften the edges. And then I'm going to be using the kajal in my lower lash line, and I'm going to smudge it out with a small flat shader brush. That's pretty much it. Now I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara. This is probably the fastest smoky eye and probably the easiest smoky eye that I've created on this channel. And here is the completed look. There are so many more looks that you can create with one single product. So next time you feel like you don't have eyeshadows or any products, just look around. You'll find that one product and you can create multiple looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite look by commenting below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several times a week. If you plan to recreate any of my looks, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.